Go.
Bryce, you gotta like stand like a girl. There you go. Get the Kyle thing going on. Well, women don't always grab themselves.
Yes, they do. They're like,
Bryce stuffs.
yeah.
Stuffs what? Boobs.
Whoa. That is disgusting. The capital D and a capital disgusting.
Nice, Bryce. What do you
I can't see the side.
Everything.
How do you do that?
Miss America. I'm just like,
Bryce, we should do
like,
Macarena.
they're just like, they're just like,
You know, you're gonna regret
back up.
someday.
Why? Yeah, like,
Cause it's gonna be on YouTube forever.
yeah, when you're in high school, like at the graduation, they
Oh,
like
you have a message.
show a bunch of pictures and then, whoa.
I do?
Yeah. One new message.
I'm a guy that is transgender. Stop. What are you doing? You got your mind locked now?
Look at those nails. Short nails. You need longer hair. Take them out now. Take them out. Take them out for the take them out for the videos now. Take them out. Hey, take them out.
No, I'll be like, oh damn, my cleavage fell out.
No, hurry up.
No, you
We're
don't
running out of tape. Hey, we're running out of tape. Take them out. Take them out. Oh!
Oh man.
You stuff. You
Those are my socks.
Those are mine.
Oh, okay.
You still have one left.
Oh man.
Right there. Oh.
Ew.
No, I didn't mean that.
No, as I should do, I should.
I'm just gonna grab them.
I'm so good at this.
Now I'm starting to worry a little, Bryce.
Oh, don't worry at all.
Just a bit. Hey, Bryce, we're taping.
Good.